Hey everyone, it's yours truly, Mr. Lang, and today I'm going to tell you why gutter cleaning is one of our most profitable services we offer. Hear me out. Before I begin, I'd like to put this project into perspective. We actually have 36 apartments in each building. We have 6 total buildings that we're doing, and we clean out the gutters. I also want to tell you it takes us 5 or 6 hours to get this project done, and we're not even like going pedal to the metal with it. We're going at a consistent pace. 5 or 6 hours, 2 guys, and we get it done in about 5 or 6 hours. So theoretically, if you want to at least make $100 an hour, you could charge like $600 and be happy. Like, do $100 an hour gutter cleaning, you're doing good. There's not much overhead to it, right? So, I mean, but do you think just because we can get it done in 6 hours, do you think we charge $600? Absolutely not. These are huge buildings, commercial, a commercial property, and lots of people, lots of things, yada yada yada. But I just wanted to put that in perspective. Hey everyone, this is actually a clip from our next video coming up, but I just wanted to speak more on this previous video because it was cut short due to the amount of people coming in and out. That was commercial gutter cleaning. Very lucrative, definitely something worth getting into. Keeping them on a maintenance plan. We get in and out of there 5 or 6 hours, and we average about $200 to $300 an hour production rate on that job. So hope that helps. Go after it. Wash life.